Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to do a new makeup try on as well as a rapid review of all the products and a wear test throughout the day. So if you're interested, keep on watching. Okay, let's get into the makeup. Before anything else, we need to first prep our skin with some sunscreen because it is very sunny outside and yeah, we just need to protect against our skin. So this is the Make Prem, a lightweight sun fluid for face and body care. SPF 50 of course. Okay, it is quite liquidy and not runny, but it is quite liquidy. Okay, first impressions of the sunscreen. I really like it. I think it's very lightweight and it's relatively easy to move around on your face, and the white cast is significantly less than the UVA and UVB sunscreen, the one in like a little squeezy tube. So I really like this one and it's a much larger size, so I feel like you're getting more money's worth. Now we're going to start with our actual makeup and I'm going to use the INNISFREE No Sebum Blur Primer. Here it is, a very pretty light blue packaging with a beige cap. It feels a little bit dimethicone, so it reminds me of the Benefit Pore Professional. It has that same kind of color as well. It is beige, but once you rub it into your skin, it's translucent. Okay, now that our skin is prepped, we're going to go in with some foundation. This is the HEIMISH ARTLESS Perfect Cushion. HEIMISH is one of my favorite brands. In general, they're just really nice. They have some great skincare and their makeup is good as well, so really excited to try this. Here is the packaging. You have your typical little puff, and this is kind of like a teardrop shape, and inside you have your cushion. Just one press and a lot of product has come out, so let's give it a go. Ooh, a lot comes off the sponge. So that was one press and that's enough. That's quite a lot. Okay, so this is in the shade 23. Hopefully it's a good match for my skin. Okay, first impressions. For one pump technically and one layer, this is really nice coverage. I think it really evened out my skin tone, and this shade is actually quite perfect for my face. It just looks about the same, especially when I put some sunscreen on and use it as almost a tone-up cream. This matches my face quite nicely. In my phone camera, it's translating a little bit yellow, but I think in reality it's pretty normal and just pretty good representation of my skin. I think it adheres to the skin relatively easily and very nicely. It is a skin-like finish and just gives your skin overall this even look, so really like that. I think one pump for me is enough for my entire face and I really like it. It feels really good. The cushion is very nice and soft and easy to blend the product out, so really enjoy that as well. Next, I'll be trying out the PERIPERA Double Longwear Cover Concealer. It does look a lot lighter than I expected, especially since this is the darkest shade they offer. This is a 22 to 23, which is a little bit concerning because I'm actually quite pale, so yeah, if you're deeper skin tone, this is not going to work for you. But this is said to be a long wear concealer that lasts all day and does not crease, so let's give that a try. I'm honestly really impressed by this concealer. It is really full coverage. It was very easy to blend and layered with the foundation really easily. Nothing bad to say about it, and it hasn't creased or found it difficult to blend in areas where usually you would find it settling into your skin. So really impressed by that so far, and hopefully it wears all day. So now I'm going to try the Apu Juicy Punk Blusher. This looks like a nail polish, doesn't it? But it's actually a liquid blush. Apu makes my favorite blush of all time, which is the Jelly Putty Blush, and I'm really excited for this as well because I've heard great things about it. I found this really lightweight and easy to use, however there was no pigment and it diffused really quickly, so I'm going to have to layer it a few times. I might take a stippling brush and see how that works. That works a lot better than my hands. It really gives this beautiful pink flush to your skin, and I think it looks like watercolor. The coverage is definitely fuller once you use a brush, so when you're applying this product, I highly recommend you use a stippling or denser brush to blend it out. And it blends out really smoothly into your skin. It doesn't really separate the foundation or concealer underneath either. It's just melting into it, which I think is really impressive. Next, we're going to use a powder. This is the IMIMI Skin Mattifying Oil Cut Packed. I'm not going to lie, the packaging really drew me in. It looks like Sprite. It's very fun and just summery, so I thought, you know, I'm going to buy this. And there's just something so satisfying about an unused powder. That imprint, I love it. I'm not going to apply powder all over my face, just the parts where I get oily. So especially my nose and my T-zone. Done with the powder. Honestly, nothing too special, but it did set my face nice and it hasn't wrinkled or crinkled yet, but it's only been a second, so we'll give that a test throughout the day. I'm just going to quickly spritz my face on the setting spray because there's a lot of powder and I want to have it very meshed together. This is the Rare Beauty Always an Optimist 4-in-1 mist. This is a really nice mist. I find it just really helpful and it freshens up my skin all day. I can touch up with it and it doesn't really break up the makeup. It does have some oil on the top layer, so do shake it quite a bit before you apply this. Now we're going to go into eyeshadow. This is the Skin Food Soda Pastel Eye Palette in Faded Lilac. So first of all, I'm going to take this top right hand corner lilac shade and just put that as a base for my eyes. So far the powder is nice and smooth. I can't find any faults with it, and the pigment is relatively moderate. It's not super pigmented, but I think it's quite expected for Korean beauty because it's not all about pigment, it's actually about less pigment, so it's like a wash of color. Now I'm going to take the slightly lighter shade with a fluffier brush and blend the corners out. Now I'm going to take the deepest brown and put it in the inner and outer corner of my eyes to really accentuate and make almost a halo eye, but very subtle. Now I'm going to take the first shade I dipped into and put it on my lower lash line. I'm doing the same pattern, so dark on the out and blank on the inside. Finally, I'm going to take the glitter shade on the bottom left hand corner and dab that on the center of my lids. I'm actually going to take a packer brush and try to pick up some of that glitter because it's a little bit transparent. Okay, now I'm going to repeat this on the other eye. Okay, done for both eyes. Honestly, this look is pretty cute and simple. Now I'm going to try a new eyeliner. This is the Orchid Skin Lasting Pen Liner. Oh, okay, really black. From my swatch on my hand, it looks quite watery. Could potentially bleed. Let's give this a go. Honestly, the eyeliner glided on really easily, and because I'm not used to black eyeliner, I forget how pigmented it is. It just ran really smoothly. It was super pigmented and easy to use, so I really enjoy it. I think it's a really nice eyeliner. Now I'm going to test out the SAEM Perfect Curling Mascara. The SAEM is one of my favorite brands because they make my favorite concealer, the tip concealer, which is super affordable. It's like $5 and it's full coverage, and I can't wait to try their curling mascara. The applicator is like this curved and relatively medium size, not too big, not too small. It is meant to hold your curls all day and lengthen as well. So let's give this a try. Honestly, this mascara is pretty good so far. It's separating my lashes, not clumping them together. I can't see too much of it holding the curl, probably because my lashes don't curl at all, but I do like that it is slightly lengthening and separating my lashes so it doesn't give me spider legs. Recently, I purchased my first set of Powder Kiss lipsticks from MAC and I'm so excited. I got 3 shades and I'm going to put 2 of them on today. I got the first one in Mullet Over and Devoted to Chili. These are really popular shades and can't wait to try them. Mullet Over, I'm going to use it as an overall shade, and Devoted to Chili on the center to create an ombre lip. Honestly, this is enough for a look, but I just really want to create an ombre today. This is just a beautiful peach beige and my lips are better, and it's such a comfortable formula as well. It's very soft, but you can definitely see the powderiness. It looks like it's trying to be a matte, but a lot softer on the feels, and it doesn't cling to your dry patches. I'm not too big a fan of the matte lipsticks by MAC, but really like this powder finish lipstick. This is a really beautiful combination and I'm loving it. They are so comfortable on the lips. They have that traditional MAC vanilla scent and taste to them, but honestly, the formula is really something quite special. It's really soft, it looks matte, and it's comfortable. And yeah, it's just, I love this lipstick. I think it could be a new favorite formula of mine. That is it for trying on new makeup, and honestly it was such a wonderful journey and I loved it. I also want to give a quick shout out to my nail polish. This is Sugar Plum Fairy by Simply Societal. It's a really cute purple with some silver and holographic shimmers and glitters in them. Really pretty, and I just really like it. Very fun for the summertime. So let's give a quick review and recap of all the products I tried today. First, the sunscreen. The sunscreen was really nice. It didn't give that much of a white cast and only a little bit of tone off. It was really comfortable and moisturizing, and I really like the liquid consistency because it's easier to put all over your face and it layered underneath all the makeup so well. Really love this and highly recommend this. The INNISFREE pore primer was really nice. It did what it said. I feel like it really did blend my pores out and made it more smooth. It's just a very nice typical pore primer, and I think it's relatively more affordable compared to Pore Freshenal. The Cushion Foundation Pack, absolutely beautiful. I love this. I think this is my favorite try on product for today. It just is a foundation that is light on the face, but it gives the coverage you need and you can layer it so easily. It works just beautifully onto my skin and nothing bad to say about it. I love a glowy finish, and I think this doesn't accentuate your oiliness and make it look overly oily. It really is just like a glow from within. Really love it, and this is converting me to wearing foundation, which is a big thing because I normally don't wear foundation. Really like this, and I think it's relatively affordable, especially because you actually have a refill in this package. So once you're done with it, you have another one. So you're basically getting 2 foundation in one, and yeah, I love the packaging as well. Rose gold and prism shaped. So cute. The concealer was also really amazing, really high coverage. It was really easy to blend out as well. Only complaint, like I said, is it's very limited in shade range. This is the darkest shade, and honestly it's something I would use to brighten my face, not even to color correct, which is an issue because I'm not that tanned. I'm quite pale actually. So yeah, the Oil Cut Pack, I think this is just a very average powder. It's mattifying and, you know, it sets your makeup really nicely. I don't see it creasing and it looks really nice on my skin. It still preserves some dewiness, not too intense. So I do like it. Isn't my favorite powder ever? No. I still like my EYHLYFE Pore Powder Pack a lot better. That one just makes you look airbrushed. But honestly, this is really cute as well. And I love the packaging, like I said. Just reminds me of summer, and I would love to take this with me on the go. This blush was absolutely phenomenal. I really liked it. I knew I would like it basically because I love their blushes. It's just a very glowy and dewy blush, and I really like how it gives this shimmer onto your skin. I think this will wear really nicely as well on your face, even without some foundation or base product, just on bare skin. I think this will look really nice. The Soda Pastel eyeshadow palette by Skin Food, I think it's like a decent eyeshadow quad. The mattes are really nice. They do blend easily. The shimmer, I was a little bit disappointed because it was basically like a pressed glitter, and you can see it's like a putty formula, so it's very soft. I had to press into it and apply it on my eyes quite a lot to get the intensity and shimmer I wanted. In the end, I did get there, but I think it was a little bit of a work. And the eyeshadows, they're just pretty average and, you know, normal eyeshadow formulas. Eyeliner, honestly, I think it's quite good. At first I gave it quite a hard time because I thought it was going to bleed, and from swatching it, it just felt really watery. But honestly, nothing bad to say about this eyeliner, and I think it's a really affordable choice if you want a pigmented black liner. The mascara, honestly, pleasantly surprised. It's quite nice. It really just lengthened my lashes and made it separated. I think it's just very good for on the go. I will have to see if it smudges throughout the day, but honestly, first impressions is looking really good. Powder Kiss lipsticks by MAC, absolutely stunning. I think they're my favorite MAC formula. It's really beautiful for everyday wear or for glam occasions. It's very versatile and it's so comfortable. It doesn't settle into the dry bits of your skin and just looks so good, and wide range of colors to select. And I really like the combination of mullet over with devoted chili. These look really cute together. This is a quick checkup on my makeup. It's been 3 to 4 hours since I first started wearing it, and honestly, it's holding up really nicely. It's creasing a little bit on the nose, but I'm not too sure if it's the concealer or the, you know, the primer or even the foundation, so we'll need to test that a little bit. But everything else looks really good. Mascara hasn't smeared and the eyeliner hasn't like faded or clung off or anything. It just looks really good, and the lips are staying really nice as well, considering I drank like a whole cup of hot chocolate and was in my room studying for a while, so eating a lot of snacks. Alright guys, that is it for my video today. I hope you guys enjoyed it and enjoyed watching me try out all these new makeup, and hopefully something you want to try out in the future as well. As always, if you did like this video, please give it a like or a thumbs up, and even subscribe to my channel for future content. But that's about it for today, and I can't wait to share with you guys next video. Bye! Wait, I swear it doesn't look this deep in real life. Why does it look like a Sharpie brow on my camera? It's not that deep. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I don't know what my phone camera is doing. I swear it's not that like dark. Anyway, that's that.